What do you want to know about koalas? I mean, those adorable teddy bear-like creatures that live in Australia and just look super cute while munching on eucalyptus leaves all day? Well, if that sounds like your kind of animal, then stick around because today we're talking about koalas. If you've ever seen a koala in person, you'll know that they are one of the cutest animals on the planet. But did you know that there's more to these furry little creatures than meets the eye? So let us dive in and learn 10 fascinating facts about koalas that you didn't know you needed but will love anyway. Number 1. Koalas are not actually bears. Despite their name and their somewhat cuddly appearance, koalas are not bears at all. In fact, they are marsupials, which means that like kangaroos and wombats, they carry their babies in their bellies until they are fully developed. Then the babies, called joeys, finish their development in a special milk-filled pouch on the outside of their mother's body. Number 2. They have fingerprints that are almost identical to human fingerprints. If you've ever seen a koala's hand up close, you may have noticed that its fingerprints look suspiciously similar to ours. And you're not mistaken. Koala fingerprints are so similar to human fingerprints that in some cases they can be distinguished from each other. Scientists think that this is because koalas and humans share a common ancestor, and this trait has been passed down to us through evolution. No. 3. Their fur isn't just for looks. It also helps them stay cool. Have you ever noticed how thick and fluffy a koala's fur is? Well, that fur serves a dual purpose. Not only does it help keep the koala warm in cold weather, but it also helps them stay cool in hot weather. That's because the hollow hairs act like tiny tubes that allow air to circulate and help the koalas sweat. No. 4. Koalas can climb down trees head first. If you've ever seen a koala climbing down a tree, you may have noticed that they do it in a rather unusual way. Instead of climbing down the tree with their back to the ground, they climb down head first with their feet wrapped around the tree. This allows them to keep their balance and grip the tree more easily, making the descent much smoother. No. 5. They have a special organ for smelling eucalyptus leaves. Did you know that koalas have a special organ for smelling eucalyptus leaves? Yep, that's right. They have a vomeranasaur organ, or VNO, which is located in the roof of their mouths. The VNO is a chemical sensor that allows koalas to detect the smell of eucalyptus leaves, which they rely on for food. This allows them to find the most nutritious leaves more easily and avoid the ones that are less appealing. No. 6. Each koala has a unique nose print. Just like our fingerprints, no two koalas have the same nose print. This is because the shape and size of a koala's nose is determined by its genetics, which means that every koala has a unique set of genes that make its nose print different from the rest. Number 7. They are crepuscular, which means that they are most active at dawn and dusk. Koalas are crepuscular animals, which means that they are most active during the twilight hours of dawn and dusk. This is when they are most likely to be seen climbing trees, eating eucalyptus leaves, and generally being their adorable selves. No. 8. They have a special digestive system for digesting eucalyptus leaves. As we all know, koalas love to eat eucalyptus leaves. But did you know that they have a special digestive system for digesting them? That's because eucalyptus leaves are very tough and fibrous. But koalas have enzymes and bacteria in their gut that allow them to break down the leaves and absorb the nutrients inside. No. 9. Their life expectancy is around 13 to 18 years in the wild. Unfortunately, koalas don't live for very long in the wild. Their average life expectancy is between 13 and 18 years. Although some koalas have been known to live longer, this is because koalas are vulnerable to predators such as dogs, dingoes, and humans, as well as diseases and parasites. Number 10. They are considered a vulnerable species. Sadly, koalas are currently listed as a vulnerable species. This is due to a number of factors, including habitat loss, climate change, and disease. If we don't take steps to protect koalas and their habitats, they could end up extinct within our lifetime. Well, there you have it. 10 koala facts that you didn't know you needed but will love anyway. From their unique fingerprints to their adorable teddy bear-like appearance, koalas are truly one of the most fascinating and lovable creatures on the planet. So next time you see a koala, take a moment to appreciate its unique beauty and all the amazing things that make it one of nature's most extraordinary creatures. So what do you think? Did you learn something new about koalas? Let us know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe for more fun animal videos. Thanks for watching. See ya!